This is the Ashcroft Indian Band cooking show. Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Today Jodine's going to make her fudge cake.
All right, I'm actually going to cheat. If there's an easy way to do something, I do it. So I'm doing a box. Just because I like the golden, golden cake mix, but you can use white, you can use whatever. It's just fudge on top, so you can use anything you want. All right, so we'll just follow the recipes according to the box.
All right, do you need the mixer?
I do. I'm just going to put some water, oil.
I'm going to crack some eggs.
Here we go. All right.
Okay, and we have a pre-greased pan.
Yeah, we're just gonna put it in the oven for just over 30 minutes. Get these off. Till it gets golden brown.
No licking this, guys.
All right, in she goes. All right.
This is Jodine's favorite part. We're gonna make the fudge topping.
It's amazing, but it's finicky, so I'm a little like, ee. And it's my mom's recipe, and which means there is no recipe. So spoonfuls of butter is what she said. So this is about a half a cup of butter, but
A good half a cup of butter.
I 4 cups of sugar. If you're on a diet, now's a good time to go get a drink of water. Sorry. Some cocoa.
How much? It's
Um,
about a third of
what do you think?
third. Yeah, maybe a half a cup.
Again, my mom's recipe was a couple spoonfuls of cocoa, and I doubled this recipe. And her very specific recipe said milk until creamy.
Right.
So I will get better measurements for you, but I'm just gonna do a little at a time.
Here, let me help you with that.
Thank you. I'm not very. Maybe a little more. I can tell. Yeah, just until it comes together. I know the butter hasn't melted yet, but you just want it to kind of come together a teeny bit more. Just a teeny bit, and then yeah.
It's looking kind of creamy.
So yeah, so see how it's come together. So, and then you're gonna just let the butter melt.
So you don't want it to be runny at
No.
all. It needs to be thick and
See,
creamy.
Just do it so you can get a nice, like the spoon through it. And now we're gonna boil this. We'll put the vanilla in after it boils a little bit. So this will take just a soft boil. All right, I'm just gonna add the vanilla. I've taken it off the heat now. I've stirred it for what we say 7, 8 minutes. Just stirring. It's getting a little thicker. Now I'm gonna take it off the heat and then just stir, and it sets up really fast. So have everything ready, because sometimes it sets up so fast it's not real pretty. You just gotta like put it on the cake fast. So what I sometimes do is put it in the sink with a little bit of cold water, just to
Help cool it down.
yeah, and thicken it up. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so it's getting, oh, I think we're ready.
All right, it's go time.
I'm nervous, it won't set up. Okay. It's setting up on me. See, it's already setting up in the pan. So you gotta quickly get it off.
It smells really good.
So sometimes it's not gonna be super perfect on the edges where I add the setting. There we go. It's as pretty as it's gonna get. There's a little treat for somebody after with a spoon in the pan. But you just need to let it cool for a few minutes and then enjoy. It's more a rustic cake, so it's not super pretty. Now we're gonna try a piece. It's still a little warm, but we're hungry. And it's like our favorite.
And it smells too good, we have to try it.
And you'll find the fudge will crack a little bit, and then people will come and like kind of take off a piece. And pretty soon you're just gonna have cake and no fudge left. All right. Oh, come on.
The first piece is always the hardest to get out.
Oh, this is gonna be pretty.
Ta-da!
That's about right. It's smoking hot still. Gosh. But there you go. Enjoy fudge cake. So again, if you like this recipe, just ask us for the ingredients and we're happy to deliver them. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye.